favorite producer on Dixon Beats.
Getting here, guys. So today is birthday. Happy birthday to all of us in the world, and happy birthday to my boo. Yes, he don't want to come in my video now, so you guys. So we are still in Aqua Safari, and today is Valentine's Day, and we are going out to eat breakfast. And after breakfast, D is taking me on a boat ride, and from the boat ride we are going on a horse ride, and after the horse ride we go feed the fish and also go have an interaction with the animals here in Aqua Safari. D is going to go on the jet ski alone, guys. I don't want to be like Castro and his girlfriend, you know. So he's going to go alone, and I'll be there praying for him, okay? So yes, you guys will see everything on camera, so don't worry. Today we are going to have fun. So guys, our time is up for breakfast, so follow us and eat breakfast with us. Happy birthday. Peace out. We are here to eat breakfast, and this is what we are having for breakfast today: jollof, salad, baked beans, sausage, chicken, and D is having the same thing. And this is the little sweets that we are going to eat after. And we got some orange juice, squeezed orange juice, okay? So yes, we are going to eat now, and after that, like I told you, we will go on the boat ride. Alright, so allow us to eat and we'll go on the boat ride together. Alright. So let's that. Guys, it's so good. Alright. It's so good. We're going on the boat ride. We had our coupon, we take it back there, and you get your ticket and you head towards here to ride a boat. So we are going on a boat ride, okay? So guys, we are about to go on the boat ride, and our captain is called Kinsley. He's so cool. So yeah, we are about to go. So we are going to put on our jacket and get ready.
Where are we today?
So guys, finally we are on the boat with Captain Justin, and we are going to have.
You never regret it.
Okay, Captain. So.
My name is Captain Justice.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'd like to do some introductions. Right, so we're on the Volta River. Then this river goes from here to Burkina Faso.
Alright.
It passes through Aqua. So at Aqua, this is the river that generates electricity from the country. And it ends at the estuary where it meets with the sea. So the meeting point of the sea and then the river is called the estuary. Here the place is called Ada, but the area here is called Gada. The way the people do is fishing, farming, mining of salt, and then mining of oyster. And then we have about 34 islands available. And then there are about 17 villages on the island. These villages, they have church, clinics, markets, and then school over there. They don't have electricity, so they use solar over there. So as we go, there are some buildings along the river, which some are private, and then some are commercial. Most of these buildings belong to some of the famous people in the country. So I'll show you some of the buildings and then the owner of those buildings. We also have the Crocodile Island. There you can have a look at the crocodile. It says, so that the interesting is like so that. In case you have any questions, you can ask.
NDC lawyer. Oh. The green one? Oh wow. Hi guys, get in here. So today is Valentine's Day, and now we are going to the Aqua Island Zoo. Alright, so follow us to the zoo. So guys, this is where we are coming, the Aqua Island Zoo. So we are here to have some fun. So you guys follow us while we have fun together. So guys, we are here in the Aqua Island Zoo, and we are here to watch some snake python, and we found a python. Wow, it feels so weird. So you guys follow us and let's check it out, okay? Wow, guys, can you see the crocodile? This is so big. So can we touch it?
No, unless the baby ones. You have something.
Alright. So what food do they eat?
Chicken.
Chicken. Only chicken?
And meat. They eat meat. Any kind of meat.
Then those they are.
They have 2 years.
2 legs.
3 years.
Oh, 2 years.
4 years.
4 years. Guys, can I touch you? I just said me
Ninja ni mwenye so kakutunso.
I'm coming there.
Na be fa ne ben so nya sa de o yem sise. So free so.
Guys, this is the baby. I don't know what to say. I'm so scared. This is the baby crocodile. And look, they are so tender, so soft and gentle. So here is the Aqua Island. So guys, these are the snakes. I don't want to talk so loud so it will wake them up. Yeah. So those are the pythons. Wow. There's 3 of them. We see how they are sleeping.
Shawty wanna cruise my Lambo. She will whisper me say she wanna come visit back on a tingo. Not even a man, leave me out of the video.
Okay, so guys, we are here to do the fish feeding.
Alright, so these are the red belly crabs. Okay. Fishes with teeth. So the red belly crabs. It took us 3 years to rebuild the system. Okay. So they are carnivores. They feed on other places. They are also cannibals. They feed on themselves as well. But when they came here, we tried to rebuild the system of them feeding and. As well as to the breeding point. show you tell them. Yeah, a bit tissue massage. Just dip your legs in the water.
Okay.
Yes. You listen to cool you.
Oh, it's so fun. Oh. From the farm? Hey, these are people they can buy.
Start from one. So I'm expecting a few. So it's quite people they can produce like about 1,500 to 5,000 gallons one batch.
Within how many
Just
2 years?
like a year.
My favorite producer on Dixon Beats.